Welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this powdered sugar or icing sugar. So before starting, please remember to subscribe to this channel and give a thumbs up to help me to make more videos. And now let's go with the recipe. We will use a cup of sugar, is about 260 grams, and we will put this sugar in a blender and we will liquefy very well until we see that we have a fine powder. And if we see that the sugar stay on the edges, we will separate with the help of a spoon. And to do this, we remove the glass container from the blender for more security. And then we put again and we continue mixing until we have this fine powder that is the icing sugar, and we put in another container. And now we will put this tablespoon of cornmeal flour, and you can use also a coffee grinder if you have it. Now we will mix very good the sugar with the cornstarch. Okay, now we will put in a closed container so that the sugar does not get wet, and we can use that sugar at any time for our sweets and desserts. Thanks for watching, and remember, please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to help me to make more videos. Bye bye.